I love it, but just hate the time that I gotta put in. Sometimes I go like 36 to 40 hours with no sleep. No real sleep. I got my fro. Can you see? Can you tell it's a fro? I got my fro on today. Unfortunately, I just got booked for something this weekend. Well, next weekend. They want me to take it out. So I have to take it out. I'm still crazy. Ha! I'm still cray cray. Yes. 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 I be having this school lit though. I can't. Yeah. Ty, what you been up to? Joe, you like that? What you like, Joe? I've been working out, guys. I lost weight, right? Back up. Okay. Stay. Alright. I've been working out. It's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. You better see this picture. You guys know this Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Rosalia Emil. Let me type it in. Ooh. Let's see if I can pin it up. Boom. What you got? You got my you screenshot it? You got the screenshot? Make sure you send it to me. Or send it to me on Instagram. Instagram, Rosalia Emil. Rosalia. Go follow me right now and send me the screenshot. on it? You want me to put your name on it? I'm getting another tattoo. I should get it right here. Put your name on it. Tie that. Put your name on it. Where Marie go? Marie, where did you go? Did you screenshot my picture? Marie, screenshot it. Put your name on it. I'm gonna put your name on it. Put your name on it. Where you want your name at? Name, baby. Where you want your name, baby? Where? To my text. I already got my name on my text. You want it right here? Or on the side? Left titty, right titty, left cheek, left cheek. What ain't on that cake? Who wants to go Marie? Oh my God. Marie! Really? I cannot. Oh my God, you nasty. Ooh, girl, you Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Send me the screenshots. Just don't Don't you know? Wait, because I can't see. Chocolate goddess. I can't see now. I can't see. Should I keep working out, you guys? I've been going in the gym. Should I keep going? I should, right? I should. Should I? go follow me on Instagram because I'm going to live on Instagram right now. Can you really see my nose? Yes, I am still crazy. I am still crazy. I am still crazy. Marie, you better screenshot this and get your hands out of there, okay? And screenshot this. How you like your neck? Like me now. Guys, make sure you go follow me on Instagram, Rosalia Emil Rosalia. Oh, there you go. Ha! I got it back. Okay, I got the comments back. Perfect. Oh, geez. I'm a G. I'm a G. I'm a G. Marie, you need to get your hands out of there. And my back hurts, you guys. I need a massage. I'll massage these buns. Massage the buns. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Thank you, Delva. Oh, Ty, still my photographer? Okay, Ty's my photographer. Because I don't see Marie. Marie too busy playing with herself. James. What you need Vaseline for? What you need Vaseline for, James? Ooh. Ooh. Make sure I follow us on Instagram. I need another dark chocolate. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Come on here. You want some dark chocolate? One nigga, you know how many poses that I done did? What the hell? How you only took one or two? I think I'm rocking with Ty, cause But Marie, you are so fire. Like when I tell you fire. She said I ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. Oh. But make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Were you guys watching the debate? I turned it down, then I missed the end. What happened? What happened? Make sure you guys go. Oh, I see it. That be my workout in the gym, you guys. When I'm at the gym, I be working out like this. And boy, when I tell you, I caused a lot of trouble. You know what that tongue can do though? You know what that tongue can do though? Yeah, boy. But yeah. What gym do you go to? What gym do you go to so I can come to your gym and be like this? What if I work out like this? That's how you get the abs in. You know? Guys, make sure you go follow me on Instagram. Your mama is a bitch. Yeah, 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 ooh, yeah, yeah. Your mama is a bitch. Mama is a bitch. You know it. She know it. I know it. Ooh, yeah, oh my goodness. All right, guys, that's it for today. That's it for today. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Okay? Alright? That's it for on Instagram. Bye, guys. Love you.